Isang mapagpalang araw sa iyo, kaibigan. I have 3 invitations to make. First, let me invite you to the Manila International Book Fair 2012 to be held on September 12 to 16, that is Wednesday to Sunday, and from 10 in the morning until 8 in the evening. Ito po ay gagawin sa SMX Convention Center sa Mall of Asia. My second invitation is for you to visit the Church Strengthening Ministry booth at the SMX Convention Center. That is booths number 1, 2, and 3, and experience CSM Book Madness. Bakit madness? Abe, biruin mo naman. Bawat libro ay magkakahalaga lamang ng 100 pesos. And my third invitation is for you to come to the grand launch of my new book titled Susunod Ako, Mula sa Hardin ng Panalangin Tungo sa Lansangan ng Buhay. This book is all about obedience. Sabi nga ni Samuel, obedience is better than sacrifice. At meron akong formula. Ang formula ay faith plus obedience equals supernatural blessings. Hihintayin kita.